Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video, we will see how we can host the website with our own custom mini cPanel on Windows IIS server. Let's go to the panel and get started. So right now we are on our server, and if we go to the panel, this is our panel, and if I log in with the client one test.com, I can just log in. So this is our control panel. Right now it is not completed yet, but still it can host the website. If we click on domain, we can see these domains are hosted here. We have a file manager, we have databases for WordPress, and also we have a single click WordPress installation. So if we want to add a website, we can just create a new website, and for example I will give it a name as TJ, and I will say techijack.net, and the port is 80. I will just create the website. It will take a while to create the website, and you can see the website created successfully. So if we go to the DNS, it will create the DNS zone as well. Let me refresh here. Here you can see the DNS zone is created and all the required host records are there. So let me close this, and if we go to the IIS, here we have the site here. If I refresh it here, we can see that techijack.net. So right now it has hosted a test page here. Let me show you that. This is techijack.net is ready, but I want to host a website there. So what I can do, I can go to the file manager, and inside the techijack.net I will say open file manager, and I will just delete this one. I will delete this, and I will upload my site here, that is this one, and I will say upload. So this is uploaded, and I will now extract it here, and now the site is extracted here, and that's it. If I go and open the site again, now you can see the techijack.net site has been hosted here. You can see the about us page, home page, terms. So this site is quickly hosted on the server. Same way we can also install the WordPress site as well here. With a single click, we can just go to WordPress installer, and for example if we have a existing site, we can just click here and we can just click on install WordPress. And if you want to create a new domain, for example I say abc.com, and I say install WordPress. So it will install the WordPress, and it will give us database user and the password for that. Just wait for a while. So you can see your WordPress site is ready, and if I go and check with this abc.com, because here it has created the DNS record for this abc.com as well. If I refresh it here, we have this abc.com and all the records are there. Same way the site is hosted on the IIS as well. We can see the abc.com is here, and it has already configured the wp config file. You can just select the language and proceed with the installation. Like you can just put the site title, username, password, your email, and install the WordPress, and after that you can log into the WordPress. Your WordPress is hosted within a single click. So this is how we can host our PHP or HTML website. Even we can host our WordPress site as well. Therefore right now the cPanel is not completed. Once it is completed, it will be having some more features as well. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in a next video. Friends, want to level up your IT career with exclusive Exchange server and hybrid training? Join my YouTube membership for exclusive step-by-step training, real-world migration labs, and insider tips you won't find anywhere else. Explore the complete playlist for Exchange Microsoft courseware, where you will get the step-by-step Exchange Server 2019-2025 training, hybrid Exchange plus Microsoft 365 deep dives, advanced migration guides and real-world lab, members only question and answer, and early access content, and many more new content to come. See the serious members taking the benefit of course content and leveling up their IT career. Playlist and membership link is available in the description. So select the membership and join now to start mastering Exchange like pro.